Hey guys, I'm going to be showing you the GUI today of the new Thunder-4 HDMI encoder modulator. So all you have to do is plug in your RJ45 jack into the front of the unit. The IP address is 192.168.0.188. Type in your password and you'll be able to log into the GUI through any browser. And so here we have created a very easy to use GUI, very intuitive. The modulation function has an attenuator built in from 0 to 30 dB. And here you can find all your different standards for around the world. So it doesn't matter where you are. You can set each channel, or input rather, to each different frequency, QAM 64, 256. And you can also set up major and minor channels, including virtual channels. You can see here how everything is already shown as status. So something really cool I want to show you guys is that this unit actually has all the standards built in. So if you go down to modulate here on the left hand side column, you can go to any of these and you can set up the standard for where you are in the world. So naturally Dvb-t is used primarily around the globe. Dvb-c J83 Annex A is actually European equivalent of QAM in the European Union. Atsc 8VSB is often used here in the United States, off-air 8VSB. J83B is a common here in America. It's pretty much what we use as Dvb-c QAM Annex B. And again, you can change all these options and settings as you go. And there's also ISDB-T, which is also used in various parts of the world. But this unit is pretty great because no matter where you are, you can go ahead and set it up to whatever country or modulation standard you like. And this is kind of great for people that are on tours that need modulators, cruise ships who go port to port and can just swap over to different standards, and they can start showing off-air programming around the cruise ship as they're docking in various countries. So this is pretty unique, and you can go back to the status and you can see how everything is now ISDB-T. And that's it. It's just a really unique kind of fun thing you can do. So you don't need to load up any new firmwares or anything like that. Everything's already in there for you. So you can just hit apply and all your channels will be converted to that modulation standard. Here you can actually check out and set your various bit rates, latencies, instead of for ultra low latency, AC3, MPEG-1. You have all these options. And let me show you, this is a cool function here. It'll show you exactly what your input source is, if it's running, and your video resolution. And all you have to do is click apply whenever you change anything. Down here, you can go back and check out the network status, set up your subnet. And remember, when you connect to our unit, you got to make sure you're on the same subnet as the actual unit. If you're on a .1 or .2, you actually can't find your unit, so make sure you check on that before you try to log in. And here you can see all the different modulation firmwares and configuration, and that's it. It's very simple, very easy to use. This unit is very straightforward. We try to make this firmware as easy to use as possible for all our customers out there. And as you can see, you can actually bump up the bit rate all the way up to 25 megabits per second on this particular unit. Here you can change the channel name. That'll show up on your TVs, and again, it's very straightforward, very easy to use, and now we can just program whatever we want to show up on the TV. If you'd like to order this product or find out some more information, go to thorbroadcast.com. This particular unit is here in the HDMI RF modulator section. It's a third unit down. You can click on the 4 HDMI button, and this is the unit, and it's in stock, ready to go. And you can see some different information here, some features, some tables, pictures, and more specifications. Again, if you have any questions or would like to get some more information about this, you can contact us directly. Our phone number, email, and customer service is all right here. All right, guys, thanks for stopping by, and hopefully you pick one up sometime soon.